Okay. You can see I've already poured the base. That was because I needed it to set up. So I'm going to be doing my other polar bear design. And I decided to kind of do a ombre sky again. I'm going to do pink to purple to dark purple this time, because that's what I feel like doing. I am I need more room. Hoping that it will turn out cute. So yeah, anyways, I have so many blue sky designs in this holiday collection that honestly I didn't want to do another blue sky, and I really liked how the other ombre sky turned out. So I was like, why not do that again? I didn't want to do the same color, so this time we're doing it's actually, well, I used the same red I used to make the scarf on the polar bear, but I added white to it, so it gives it that pink look, but it's the same family. To the purple, to the dark purple, kind of that Aurora sky look. Again, just with a different color scheme. So anyways, I'm just going to speed this up because it's going to take me a while to pour the whole ombre, and hopefully when I put my embeds in, it still turns out cute and the embeds go in correctly. So yeah. This tree is adorable. I love the 3D shape of them. So we have the ombre which I'm very curious to see how this goes. Yeah, I hope everything went in correctly and it all looks cute, and let's cut it and see. The tree didn't get quite down. He's down. So I poured the light pink to light purple ombre first, then I put the embeds in, and then I poured the top, which is why it's kind of, this one's displaced and then this is just solid. But I like the colors. It's different. I did not get that tree down completely all the way through, but I really like this tree. This tree is the same tree, I just cut off this portion here to make it smaller. I think it's cute. I like the colors. I like the ombre. Look at that. You got glycerin rivers in there. Oops. There are two pieces of the tree, and I obviously you can barely see the faint outline. Just missed it there. I wish I had gotten the trees all the way down, but other than that, because, you know, nitpicking, it's still pretty cool. Yeah. And there's the trees on top. Let me know what you think. I like them.